है नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
Greetings for the day. Today we, the Team Girl Force 2047 from Mount Abu Public School, are here to present our project titled Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-sustained rural ecosystem. The idea behind our model is to showcase how a village can become self-reliant by generating electricity of its own, managing water well, creating local jobs and getting digitally connected to the rest of the world. Our model is a miniature representation of how a village can become self-reliant by aligning with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat 2047. Our model consists of 5 main key pillars that includes the energy zone, the digital empowerment zone, the smart agriculture zone, and the economic zone, consisting of the route map of the trade and exports.
So at the base, we have India's map with Ashoka Chakra in the center. The chakra represents unity, progress, and continuous motion towards self-reliance. So here is the energy and waste zone. This zone basically represents how renewable energy can be used to power rural communities. The solar panels are for generating electricity, wind turbine for energy production, and biogas plant model for waste conversion into usable gas. These all elements symbolize clean energy and effective waste management to reduce the dependencies of village on external resources. Here is the smart agricultural zone, which are greenhouse and drip irrigation system.
Next, we have the industrial and digital empowerment section. Here we have small factories and workshops to show rural employment generation. Above the model, we have the globe, which shows India's trade and export connections with other countries. The tiny LEDs marks the trade route, highlighting how local production supports the global market. It demonstrates India's transition from local self-reliance to global leadership. Our project supports UN Sustainable Development Goal number 17, Partnership for Goals. Our model empowers rural communities to become economically independent and environmentally sustainable. In conclusion, the Atmanirbhar Bharat project demonstrates that with the right use of renewable energy, sustainable practices, every village in India can become a source of strength for the nation. Thank you.
This is the start. सोचो लोकल बनो ग्लोबल, हर प्रॉब्लम का है सोल्यूशन, मिलकर करें एक नई शुरुआत, इनोवेशन से निकले विकसित भारत की बात। दिस इज इंडिया, ये भारत मेरी जान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।